creation in heaven and earth. Good Lord. I just dropped everything. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. Ladies and gentlemen, this, should I put it lower or should I put it higher? Should I put it a little higher. Okay, so this came in from PDP. You know PDP, yeah, you know me. That's not what it stands for. This is the Gears 5 Lancer. Matter of fact, I'll read you exactly what it is. Crimson Lancer MK3 replica. All right, it's a box within a box. I don't know why I thought it was anything else. Okay, it's upside down, isn't it? I can never do anything. We're leaving that in too. Okay, yeah, now we can raise this up. Check that out. Okay, spoiler alert, I did hold this at E3. It was still like the beta. I don't know if it was the final one. Oh my Lord. Okay. If they have me unpack one more thing with this. Oh, it has some red on, and red is not blood, although it will be. Oh man. The last video I did this 2 years ago, I held it like this in the camera, and people were like, "Dude, what are you doing? You great!" Like, I didn't know how to hold it, so now I know that it's like up here. Yeah, it has a targeting thing right there. This is just beautiful. I'm gonna give you some information on it. I had to install the batteries, and they were way more complicated than I thought they were going to be. If there's one criticism, the battery should have been in there. If you flip this nice little switch here, lights will come on. Ooh. Oh! You see the lights there? And again, I showed you the lights on this side already. But yeah, so, you know, you put your ammo in. I never fired one of these before. And then you got your MK3, and then you got your targeting lock, and then for the chainsaw, oh, that is okay. I am waiting. You a little too annoying now. Okay, calm down. Calm down. 1-to-1 scale, as I mentioned. This is the Crimson Lancer MK3. I am sweating already. Oh my god. It comes with a DLC code for a matching in-game weapon skin. So this skin here, when you buy this, you have the DLC skin. I'm using that. You have a hinged chamber for simulated placement of ammo cartridges. Light and sound effects, I just showed you that. Can be seen and heard from the actual Lancer in Gears 5. That's awesome. Adjustable levers, triggers, and switches. Updated scope and butt stock design. And it's officially licensed by Microsoft Studios and the Coalition. You want to know how much this is going to cost? It's listed at $149.99. Now, I'll put the links below. Are you going to get one? Because, I mean, here's the thing. If you don't, I'm about to cut some people.